Okay, quick screen grab on how to add a device handler in the SmartThings IDE section, and how to make your devices work with them. I think the process is pretty much the same for all devices. You just need to have the right device handler, for which you can find the links on GitHub and across the internet. So you need to go to your device handler. So this is the single-LED RGBW device handler, which I believe is for the little bulbs. So you click on the raw here, which opens a new window, and then you need to make sure you select every entire piece of code on this page. If you do Control A or Command A on a Mac, and then Control C, that will copy you, or right click and copy. Then you go to SmartThings, and if you haven't got an account, create one and sign in. Then you come to your locations and you click on your hub, so that sets your hub, and then you go to My Device Handlers and create a new device handler from code, and then you right click and paste your code in. Now, just for reference, I'm going to go to the top here. Right here in this code here is some information which basically tells the IDE system what to call the name in the list. So if you've got multi IDE handlers, or you're customizing any of them yourself after you've copied the code, you can actually change the name here. So for this purpose, I'm going to call this test name little, and then I'll create that. Okay, then you save it, and then you publish it for me. Once that's published, you go to My Devices, and then you find something that is related to that. So we're going to go with the kitchen soft lights, and then you scroll down and you click Edit, and here you have the ability to name the light. So actually that doesn't have its name in right. And then here where it says type, you click on that, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you can see there's test name little. Now obviously you don't need to rename your thing, but if you do, when you look at your device handler list, then you'll know exactly which one is which. As you can see here, I've got multiple versions of the same thing in, and this is one I've renamed as little strip. So you select that, and then you update it, and then you make sure your device is connected in SmartThings, and that should work.